AHPS catering the needs of grade 1 to K-12, and now we are coming up with a university called Rishihood University, which will be started in Delhi, and the second by 2018, and the second university exclusively for Bachpan and HPS children will be started by 2020 in Hyderabad. Thank you one and all.
Now I would like to invite Mrs. Neeraj Kaka, the principal of Academic Heights Public School, to give a brief report about our school.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. It gives me immense pleasure to welcome you to this wonderful event. On behalf of Bachpan and Academic Heights Public School, I, Mrs. Neeraj Kakkar, Principal, take this opportunity to extend warm greetings to our founder members, Mr. S.K. Gupta and Mr. S.K. Jain, Regional Director, Directors, esteemed parents, teachers, students, and special guests. I am grateful to all of you who have graced this annual function. Bachpan AHPS treats every child as one of its very own and gives the kids a second home. Bachpan, therefore, can be the best first experience for any and every tiny tot. I'm quite sure you would agree that the child deserves nothing but the best. So we at Bachpan and AHPS put in our best efforts to capture the sweetness of all the first experiences and first things of our children and create the magical happiness that is therein. Thus, every child is a different and beautiful flower, and together all children make this world a lovely garden. The strength of AHPS Bachpan School is in its philosophy. We pursue an educational philosophy that focuses on balancing and blending academics and non-academic areas. Gone are the days when schools were concerned with preparing children only for examination under the belief that schools are training grounds for the future. Not so anymore. We believe education is not a preparation for future, but it is life itself, with every day and every moment being part of an organic whole. Children of today need to be equipped themselves with knowledge, skills, and understanding relevant to their changing environment. This generation needs to be armed to face this world with multiple talents, critical thinking skills, and workable strategies. We at HPS are committed to creating and executing a curriculum that focuses on developing each and every child a whole range of creative and thinking skills. It also gives me great pleasure to present a very brief report of AHPS Bachpan, SR Nagar, and Madura Nagar. As promised, we have started 3 secondary schools at Boduppal, Shamsherganj, and Biramgura. We are coming up with more secondary schools at different locations in future. So dear parents, the school is still class 10th and you need not worry, your children are in safe hands. Now I thank our regional director, Mr. K. Shrikant Reddy, and other directors who are sitting here for their broad outlook and future vision. Early childhood is the most important phase for laying a strong foundation for the overall development. Here we are shaping young minds from kindergarten through primary and secondary education, thus endorsing the philosophy of cradle to career. AHPS and Bachpan is privileged to have a complete and qualified teaching fraternity to promote interactive and student-centric teaching. We provide opportunities for authentic learning based on the students' needs, interests, and talents, thus tapping all-round potential through Tri-Smart e-learning, which is the ultimate in edutainment. Curriculum development is going hand in hand with extracurricular activities, catering to the overall development of a child. In our attempt to achieve this, students have been exposed to various inter-school, state level, and international level competitions. In the International Sports Knowledge Olympiad, organized in partnership with Star Sports, SR Nagar student Spurti Challa of class 4th won rupees 25,000 cash award, international silver medal plus merit certificate. She'll be interviewed by Star Sports channel. Let us give her a big round of applause for bringing AHPS on the map. V. Abhishek of class 6 won rupees 5,000. Kanishka Chaturvi won rupees 2,500. Yashni Jiva of class 4th, Naga Saragna Gautam of class 5th won gift vouchers of 1,000 each, Medal of Excellence and merit certificates. And many other children won gold, silver and bronze medals. Congratulations, dear kids, for your excellent performance at the school, zonal and international level. Recently, Science Olympiad and Maths Olympiad results were announced. Here too our children bagged gold, silver and bronze medals. Congratulations, dear kids, for bringing laurels to the institution. In inter-school HPS mega competitions which were held at Gateway University, Sonipat, New Delhi, our children bagged 8 gold, 2 silver and 2 bronze medals. Talasani Srinivas Yadav Garu of Telangana congratulated and honored Kumari Naga Sargna and Shreya Bala for bagging the gold medals in long tennis. Congratulations to all the kids. We are very proud of you. We have organized field trips to Active Farm for HPS students, Harita Haram event for promoting greenery in and around our school, investor ceremony, etc. Our AHPS students, Master Abhishek, Kumari Charita and Kumari Naga Sarvagna participated in the Hai Buji Inadu eco-friendly Ganesha contest and won prizes. Kumari Priya Satya Prahashini of class 6 participated in slogan writing competition on the occasion of Independence Day and won gold medal. Congratulations, dear Satya. Coming to the events that have been organized within our school for the academic year, our school has organized month-wise extracurricular activities like Color Concept Day, celebration of all festivals, field trips, Bachman inter-school competition, show and tell, recitation, number maze, storytelling, sand arts, spell bee, quiz, etc. In AHPS inter-school competition, we have organized recitation, floral rangoli, chain story, dramatization, and creative chef. Children won gold, silver, and bronze medals in the above competitions and brought laurels to the institution. We are very proud of you, dear children. So, dear parents, don't they deserve a big round of applause? Recently, another feather on the cap of Bachman SR Nagar and Madhura Nagar collectively organized a farm fest in our AHPS grounds. Mrs. Seshu Kumari Amirpet Corporator inaugurated the fest along with our directors. It was well attended by all the parents and the children. This year we started English Wordsworth Lab, which is a unique English learning program that prepares the participants to communicate in English with clarity and confidence. This program enables a child to acquire the language through the natural methods: listen, understand, record, compare, and then speak. The main objective of our annual function is to provide a platform for the students to display their inborn talents and skill. This annual day event will showcase the little ones at their creative best, and that too at such a young age. We make sure that every student of our school performs on stage for various events. We not only focus on excellence in academics, but also do not forget that education does not mean mathematics or physics alone. Education means intellectual, emotional, cultural, and social development of a person. It is not marks on a report sheet alone that makes a man. It is her, his complete outlook that makes him, her successful. Children are like clay that can be molded into any form. Their mind can imbibe any hue. We focus on sports, art, and culture in our education. Apart from academics, grooming our students with respect to traditions, religion, and Indian culture is also our primary goal. You will agree with me that today, in addition to technology and expertise, the grooming in Bharatiya Sabhyata is a must. I assure to all the parents of young children residing in the city that they don't have to worry about the quality of education of their children anymore. We are here to take care of the all-round growth of your children. Besides intellectual development, their physical growth and overall personality development are given due emphasis at AHPS and Bachman. This approach can be seen as a success mantra behind the nationwide recognition to Bachman and AHPS in such a short span of time. It's a proud experience for me to be a part of this wonderful group, and the quality and benchmark that we have established in child education sector will be evident when you enjoy the remarkable performances by our talented and bright students tonight. So, ladies and gentlemen, you are witnessing our future leaders showcase their talents and charisma. Adore them, cheer them, and cherish in your hearts these fond memories of the blooming little buds, slowly opening up into lovely flowers, their fragrance spreading far and wide. So friends, cheer them, be one with them, soak in their electrifying performances, smell the lovely fragrance, and let positive energy flow. With these words, I welcome you all and thank you all for providing us your esteemed company for our annual day. Thank you, one and all.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much. The report itself shows that Bachpan Play School has scored 200% out of 100%. Can I have a round of applause? With the kind of strength I see, I think the energy should be high by now. Can I have a round of applause? I would like to start, but before start, I would like to call upon those people who have been the backbone of Bachpan Play School, the regional officers team. Can I have on the stage Mrs. Sunita, Regional Academic Coordinator, Mrs. Pallavi Kulkarni, Manager Operations, Mr. John Paul, Academy Coordinator, Mr. Anant Kumar, Manager Accounts, Mrs. Namrata, Deputy Manager, Mrs. Soumya, Royalty Department, and Mrs. Uma Maheshwari, the General Manager. Can we have the lights on them? The lights on, please. And here you are. Yes, these are the people who are the backbone because of whom we are enjoying these performances, these events. Can I have a bigger round of applause? Come on. Thank you, sir, and thank you, madam. Now that the lamp is lit, now that the prayer is done, I know all of you are waiting with so much eagerness, eager to sink into the depth of music, lights, joy. And we have a surprise. We have cute Bhavya to take up my job. Not my money though. Yes, can I have Bhavya on the stage, please? Bhavya, the stage is all yours.
India is known for its hospitality, and because of her diversity, rich cultural heritage, and colorful traditions, has always been a favored destination for travel buffs. Welcoming of guests is a part of Indian tradition. The above ideology is brought in the ancient saying, Atiti Devo Bhava. These customs reflect the true image of India in its society. Now the students of 4th, 5th and 6th are going to welcome you all by the welcome dance.
Swagatam, 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 swagatam.